We grow a lot of tomatoes. We sell tomatoes at our local farmers market, and we also sell tomato starts in the spring. But our maritime Pacific Northwest climate makes harvesting tomatoes before August a challenge. Today, I want to share with you the methods we use to harvest more tomatoes earlier in the season through timing, protection, and varieties. And they're all grown in our all day sun growing environment here on our farm. Hi, I'm Mark from Dingdong's Garden. We live on Lopez in the San Juan Islands in Washington State. Tomato plants will grow here, but they grow slower, so you often have to wait longer to enjoy your first tomato. We seed our tomatoes indoors on March 1st. By April 1st, the plants are large enough and the risk of frost is low enough to plant them into pots or in ground with protection. And by protection, we mean a hoop house, a tomato cage wrapped in plastic with an open top, or a half covered low tunnel. Anything that amplifies the heat of the sun during the day will help accelerate growth. By mid-April, the soil is warm enough for tomatoes to survive in ground without protection. They won't start growing fast until the warmer temperatures of May, but any forward progress helps. In terms of varieties, our recommendations are Siletz for a slicing tomato and Gold Nugget for a cherry tomato. Assuming a mid-April planting date without protection, Gold Nugget is always the first ripening tomato for us starting in early July. And Siletz, under the sky without protection, planted in mid-April, will give us ripe slicing tomatoes in early July with a peak harvest in mid-August. I hope this helps. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thanks to all. Good luck with your tomato growing this year.